For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Sea Voters conducted a State of the Nation 2020 survey, and the results are favouring Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he received the support of 66.2% of the people. 58.36% of the surveyors were very satisfied with Modi's performance. 24.04% said they were satisfied to some extent, and the remaining 16.71% were not satisfied at all. Indian Railways has tied up with corporate majors like Coca-Cola, ITC and HUL with migrant workers arriving to their home states on Indian Railways Shramik special trains. Many corporate giants are providing them with refreshments as well helping them with other requirements under CSR initiative. After BJP's immense loss in the Delhi Assembly election, the state party president Manoj Tiwari offered to resign. However, the party has now replaced him with Adesh Gupta, a former North Delhi Municipal Corporation mayor. The BJP has termed this to be nothing but a routine move. The Prime Minister was addressing the annual session of the Confederation of Indian Industry or CII to mark the completion of 125 years of CII since its inception in 1895. Modi highlighted that the process of fast-paced development to bring India back on track of development had already begun with the opening of large portion of the economy in Unlock Phase 1 after June 8th.
मुझे भारत की कैपेबिलिटीज और क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट पर बहुत भरोसा है। मुझे भारत के फार्मर्स, एसएमईज, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स पर भरोसा है और मुझे भरोसा है इंडस्ट्री के लीडर्स पर, आप सभी पर। इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं, यस, वी विल गेट आवर ग्रोथ बैक।
Manu Sharma, Jessica Lal's killer serving a life term, has been freed from prison for satisfactory jail conduct. He was released along with 18 other prisoners from Delhi's Tihar jail on Monday. The board unanimously recommended freeing Manu Sharma at a meeting last month chaired by Delhi Home Minister Satyendra Jain. Assam witnessed heavy rains and floods resulting in landslides. 20 people were killed and several injured in a series of landslides in 3 districts of Barak Valley region. President Ramnath Kovind condoled the death of victims and said that rescue and relief operations were underway. Cyclone Nisarga, the first to strike near Mumbai in over 100 years, is barreling towards Maharashtra and Gujarat coast. It is expected to landfall near the city on Wednesday afternoon. IMD said the cyclone is likely to intensify into severe cyclonic storm with heavy rainfall and winds with a speed more than 100 km per hour. Thousands of migrant workers leaving quarantine centers across Bihar are being given condoms and contraceptives by the health department. The state observed sharp rise in institutional deliveries in the 9 months after March and November when thousands of migrant workers returned home. Arvind Kejriwal launched a dedicated mobile app to help people find the status of total hospital beds and ventilators in the Union Territory. The Delhi Corona app is initially available for download on Android devices. It is designed to make it easy to find healthcare facilities for COVID-19 treatment.